Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change audio output on your DYON Movie Smart TV. First of all, from the home screen of your device, navigate to the sidebar on the left and then select Settings. In Settings you're gonna have to go to the Sound tab, and once you open it, navigate down to Audio Output. Here you'll be able to choose either the default TV speaker, or you can change it to ARC device if you have connected it to your TV, or you can also use the optical output SPDIF if you have anything connected to this port. And then your audio output will be changed. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.